Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you and how is your everything going on? Hopefully your everything is going on well. If I talk about myself, I'm super duper excited. Alhamdulillah, I'm really grateful or thankful to my Lord for getting one more Friday. Still I'm okay guys. Now I am sitting in the barber store. I'm sitting on the chair. Actually barber has gone to drink or take a tea and he's on the way. Eventually he has come. Now I will get my shape from the barber. So I am waiting badly. I can't wait to get shape from the barber. Today is Friday. Today is a golden opportunity for me to get my shape. So guys, therefore I have come in the morning time. I have made a lot of plans. Today I have to do a lot of work since today is Friday. Friday is a vacation day. So today I want to roam with my friend, or I want to roam by alone. So guys, Friday is a great opportunity since today is a vacation day, weekend days. So we can spend our time with our loved one, with our family member. We can make our day enjoyable. So today is a Jummah day. So today has a speciality in the eyes of Islam. So I think today should be utilized perfectly. Guys, I have been talking for about 3 or 4 minutes. I think this item for me to stop talking. So I pray for you and pray for me. All the best to you guys. Have a good day.